A dream becomes reality. In 1986, Fremax is founded, laying the grounds to become a benchmark for excellence, precision, and performance. Fremax continues to grow, perfecting its production processes and leveraging the global trade environment to expand its international reach and reaffirm its mission. In the following decade, Fremax establishes itself as a benchmark for performance and quality, becoming the official brake disc supplier for the Porsche Cup Brazil. Time to accelerate. Fremax joins one of Brazil's most prominent business groups, ushering in a new era of innovation. A shared vision that continues to grow, transforming a collective dream into a global reality. In 2026, Fremax celebrates 40 years of history defined by a relentless pursuit of performance and innovation. Driven by our people and a steadfast commitment to safety, we shape the future one moment at a time. Fremax, 40 years. The maximum at every moment.